Why are they looking at me? Do I look weird in this outfit? I knew this was not my thing. They must be laughing at me behind their masks. Oh man. This is the issue I'll be fixing for my ACGs in today's video. Hello ACGs and welcome to my channel. In this 1+ year, I've taught you a lot of streetwear, but never taught you the most important thing in streetwear that all of you must have. And no, it's not the money. It's actually confidence and being comfortable in your own drip. See, by now, you've established that you got no ordinary style. When did I establish that, Triple S? At the exact moment you subscribed to StreetStyleScape. The ones who didn't, you got a generic style. So subscribe right now and take your style to the next level. So before starting the video, let's talk about why confidence is so important. But before that, here's an important announcement. We're doing a cyberbullying 2.0 and it's not exactly like the first one. This time it's gonna be a community-based cyberbullying. Basically, I'll be cyberbullying my subscribers, judging their outfit pictures. And you, my ACGs, you're gonna apply all the knowledge that I've taught you over the years and make a good, amazing drip out of it. No matter how basic it is, no matter how extravagant it is. I just want an outfit picture from my ACGs. You guys will be featured in the cyberbullying 2.0 video where we'll be reviewing your outfits. And you know what? Let's make top 3 outfits out of that video. What do you say? I like the idea. If you want to submit your outfit pictures, you can send it to me over Instagram. Go follow me at StreetStyleScape on Instagram right now and send your outfit picture to me right away. So coming back to this video, why is confidence or being comfortable in your drip so important? Generally, when you dress conventionally better, you know you're looking good or better than the average population who have no idea about styling anything. But that's a different case for 2021, as dressing conventionally better is the new average. So you all gotta be in streetwear and you know how to get started. Subscribe to my channel right now. However, things in streetwear are a little different. So there are 3 categories that I can put you all in. Either you're the first dude who has a great drip and you're full of confidence, or you're the one with a great drip and no confidence at all. Or you're in the 3rd category who has a Chappri drip and is full of confidence. Indeed, the most dangerous of them all. Oh, I forgot to mention something, guys. And why is she here? This is a shooting for the next video, so stay tuned for that video. But apart from that, Flipkart is having their Big Billion Days, and the affiliate link for Flipkart Big Billion Days is in the description. So you can go click on that link and buy stuff from there, which supports this channel. And well, you get a lot of discounts. I'm also making a video on a Flipkart shopping haul actually. What can you get on Flipkart related to streetwear? And that is a video that's gonna be like here soon. So go and check it out and stay tuned for that as well. Moving on to the current video. If you're in the 2nd or the 3rd category, you need to focus on getting in the 1st category. Because if you're in the 2nd category, no matter how good of a drip you pull off, it won't matter because it won't look its best because you are not confident enough to pull it off. Pulling off streetwear is not really easy. It's all about that confident attitude. And if you're in the 3rd category, then you're a Chappri. All you have to do is watch my Chappri series and follow my streetwear advice on this channel. So you know what to do. Subscribe to my channel. Jokes apart, so how do we really be confident in our streetwear outfits and basically be comfortable wearing them around other people? The first thing would be gain knowledge. Be aware of things that are going on in the street culture. See, proper awareness is necessary to know what works and what doesn't. For starters, you can go follow some good content creators, streetwear content creators like myself, Sankalra, or Christian VUI from Frugal Aesthetic. What you can also do is use Pinterest for more outfit ideas. I'm on Pinterest as well, and I'm gonna make some content on Pinterest as well, and that too very soon. Some exclusive content that will not be on Instagram or other social media. So you can find a lot of inspiration over there and on overall Pinterest as well. And why am I telling you this? It's because you need to be more aware so that you know what works and what doesn't. The second part would be to apply your knowledge gradually. And the very first and the simple thing would be wear it gradually. Never change your style too rapidly. because you're not used to it and it's just too much for you to handle. It really makes it more difficult to adapt to a new style. From your conventional style, if you are there right now, move to relaxed fit clothing, loose clothing, and sneakers like Converse and Vans. That will be the starter kit for you all. Then move on to some streetwear accessories. Try to wear some minimal accessories first and then keep on adding some good accessories. Get some good funky sneakers, some chunky sneakers, some dad shoes which are in trend right now in streetwear. Try to get those, try to get your hands on those and start wearing them. Then start more layering with oversized shirts, bomber jackets, leather jackets, or varsity jackets. They are amazing, and if I've actually made a full video on varsity jackets of how you can style them and where you can buy those varsity jackets. So the link is right here. You can go watch that video after you're done with this one. The point of this was you should never go from TMF to wisdom. That just doesn't work. There has to be a frugal aesthetic in between. That's the right way to do it. And that way you can find your own style and go more deeply into it, explore that even more, and you just have more creative freedom. Don't do exactly what some other guy is doing. Try to incorporate some of your things in it as well. So now you have created an outfit, but you're still not confident enough. What you do now is just wear your outfit, the crazy drip that you just built up, and lounge around the house for like a few days every now and then. And look at yourself in the mirror and admire your style. Look if it works or not, if it doesn't change up a few things unless you are not satisfied with it. Be in your home, just look at yourself, be comfortable in that style, be comfortable in looking at yourself in that drip. And that is how you get more confidence with wearing this clothing outside. I personally do this even today. It helps me with the confidence, and it's that time that tells me whether this outfit really looks good or not. There are some situations like you will once like an outfit in an instant, and if you keep wearing it for a while, you start to notice some problems with it and you change it up for a better alternative, like a few clothing items from it. And sometimes the opposite happens. You don't like an outfit really because it's too much different than what your conventional style was, but now over time when you wear it, you really like it. That's the two outcomes that you can have. So I really suggest doing that. This way you'll be more comfortable wearing your outfit outside. And when you normally thought of people looking at you because you were weird, now you will think that people are looking at me because I look so sick in this drip, because you're the center of attention. And after all of this knowledge that you've applied in your outfits, I don't think you can mess an outfit up. Sometimes it happens for sure, but I'm sure you won't pull off a very shitty outfit. That's how you get better at style. Even today, I'm not as good as you think if you do, but I pull off shitty outfits every now and then, and I realize it because I wore it once and now I know what it is. If you never try it out and give yourself a chance, you would never know. So, well, that is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down, and let me know why you liked or disliked this video in the comment section below. If you want to talk to me personally, my Instagram handle is mentioned below. It's at StreetStyleScape. You can go follow me there and talk to me directly. Join our amazingly supportive Discord server as well. It's our entire community of ACGs. You can go and buy sneakers, trade sneakers, and sell your sneakers as well from genuine resellers that I've verified myself. So there's no problems whatsoever in there. Subscribe to my vlog channel as well. The link is in the description. Again, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay stylish, stay confident. Triple S out.